Hello everyone! In this video I'm going to show you how to update Instagram. So this will both work even if you have an iPhone or an Android. The steps are pretty simple. And the reason you want to keep Instagram updated is because if you don't update it to a certain point, you could lose support, the app potentially wouldn't start, or you can experience some other difficulties that usually wouldn't happen if you kept the app up to date. So basically what you do, on iPhone you go to the App Store. Once it loads up, you go to search and just type in Instagram. You wait a few seconds, click on the official app, and for me it says open, but if it says update for you, then you should update the app. The same goes for the Play Store. Open up the Play Store, search for Instagram, and then open up the app. If this helped you out, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you didn't, let me know down in the comments and I'll help you out.